Liching Paper Industry Co., Ltd., Putian City, Fujian Province, founded in 1997, is located at the 117-kilometer mark of National Highway 324, occupying an area of 83 mu. With over 300 employees, it is a modern enterprise integrating scientific research, manufacturing, and trade, specializing in the production of maternal and infant healthcare products. Its main products include adult diapers, adult pull-ups, sanitary care pads, infant diapers, infant pull-ups, diaper liners, mom wipes, wet wipes, pet diapers, and urine pads. Guided by the principle that meeting consumer needs is paramount, Liching Paper pursues development through rigorous quality management, technological advancement as its driving force, and integrity in business operations as its foundation. Over the years, it has rapidly grown to stand out among competitors, earning a reputation for precision manufacturing, consistent quality, and reliable credibility. Since 2018, Liching's second factory, Putian Kaida Sanitary Products Co., Ltd., has commenced operations at Putian's Taihu Industrial Park. To produce higher quality goods, a Class 100,000 cleanroom facility has been added. The company employs cutting-edge 21st century production technology and equipment, supported by comprehensive scientific management systems, production protocols, and marketing strategies. It is led by a young, capable, and highly skilled management team. For years, Liching has been dedicated to market research and new product development, comprehensively strengthening internal management, and adhering to the business principles of quality first and reputation foremost, propelling our products into the global market. Liching Paper sincerely hopes to enhance cooperation with domestic and international clients, and warmly welcomes individuals from all sectors to visit for discussions and guidance.